So I'm going to use one of these candy jars. I'm going to take this little labels out. It's pretty simple. It comes out and doesn't leave any stain or anything like that. Then after I take this label out, I'm going to take some apples and place it inside. And I'm also going to use some lemons as well. And I'm going to place it inside. Some of them, you could just try to buy one bigger than the other one, like if you can. So don't, some of them can fit. So I've just tried it out to see which one it fit, which one it doesn't. And then just fill it up with apples and lemons inside. Then after you fill it up, you could put like little white treats or whatever. You can even put a small flower if you would like at the bottom too. It's up to you what you want to put inside. Then I'm going to place some flower on top like that. I'm going to place some green and I'm going to place some white. And here you could choose whatever color you want to use. Then after that, I'm going to use for the next DIY, I'm going to put one of those little candle holder upside down like that. And I'm going to fill it up with the lemon as well. So I'm just going to continue filling it up until I'm done almost the whole thing. And I'm going to place a little flower in the middle, and then I'm going to take another lemon and I'm going to place it in the middle right there just to cover that up. Then go ahead and place your flower all the way around it and put your candle on top like that. Make sure to attach it with hot glue, the candle on top, and then just fill it up with the flowers. Then for the next DIY, I just took some of these container, and it's super cute in Dollar Tree. Just fill it up with your apple and lemon as well. And then after you fill it up with the whole thing, I'm going to take some flowers. This one I got it in Dollar Tree as well, and I'm gonna place it inside. I'm going to use two of these, and I'm just going to place it one next to each other like that. Just put it one on each side like that. After you're done with that, I'm going to take a little bit of greenery and place it around. But before you do this step where you put all the flowers and stuff on top, make sure to put a little bit of a little white little flower or a little tree, whatever you want to put all the way at the bottom just to make it look cute. You could do the smaller flower too as well. And then just place some flower, regular flower, on top all the way around it just like that. Then I took these small candle holder like that. I'm going to place it on top of my apples and the flower, and then I'm going to take a candle and place the candle inside. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. I think it came out super cute, and it's so easy that you guys can do it at home. I also think you guys can do differently by putting some water inside. Like this one, I place a water and then I place a candle. I think on this one, you could also place the small little candle on top and put a few of them if you don't want to have just one on top. But I think either way, it will look great. And then this one is the next DIY, which is this one with a glass on top, which I think it came out super cute. And this one is just if you want to make it a little bit taller. And I think this one will be a great idea. It also, you can also put water inside in here, so it could also look nicer. Then for this DIY, I think is super cute. This one is if you want to make it bigger as well. And this one, I think you also can put some water inside, and I think it will look great as well. Please let me know which one is your favorite. Comment down below and let me know which one will you do and which one will you like this week. I will be doing a few DIYs just using fruits. So this is the first DIY, and I decided to use lemons and apple, which is green. I might do tomorrow watermelon or strawberry. I don't know. I'm working on it to see how I'm gonna what I'm gonna do and how it's gonna turn out. Thanks again for the support and always commenting and liking this page. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.